If your solar cable feels warm, you didn't just make a mistake, you built a fire hazard, and most people don't even know it. Everyone thinks installers pick cable size by vibes, experience, guesswork, whatever's left in the van. Wrong. There's actual math behind every wire on a real job site, and skipping it? That's how systems fail. Here's what a professional actually checks before touching a single cable. Maximum current. How many amps will flow? System voltage. 12 volts, 24 volts, or 48 volts, cable length. From battery to inverter and back, allowable voltage drop, usually kept under 2 to 3% cable material. Copper or aluminum installation method. Conduit, open air, buried in safety code compliance, non-negotiable. Picture this. Two homeowners, both installing a 5 kilovolt ampere inverter. Same power rating, same brand, even. Installer A runs his cables 1 meter from battery to inverter. Installer B, his battery room is 6 meters away. Same load, same voltage, but B needs a thicker cable. Why? Because current drops the same wire over a longer distance is like breathing through a straw. The farther the air has to travel, the harder your lungs have to work. That resistance turns into heat, and heat turns into a problem. Now flip it. What if B was running 48 volts instead of 12 volts? Suddenly, he needs less current for the same power, and he might get away with a smaller cable even at that distance. Voltage changes everything. Undersize that cable, and here's what happens on site. Guaranteed. The cable heats up under load, voltage drop, kills your charging performance, your inverter starts underperforming, even if it's a good inverter, and in worst cases, insulation melts. Fire risk, real fire risk. But don't swing the other way either. Slapping an oversized cable just to be safe isn't smart, it's expensive. You're paying for copper you don't need, for zero extra performance. Professionals size it right, not big, not small. Right. This is why the guy who has 15 years experience but skips the calculation is gambling with your house. A real professional runs the numbers first, every single time. Current, voltage, distance, drop. No exceptions. So next time someone quotes you a solar job, ask them one question. What size cable are you using, and how did you calculate it? If they can't answer, walk away. Drop a comment. Has your solar system ever had a cable overheat? Let's talk about it.